Welcome to the video on the Balochistan Rangeland Policy, a strategic framework for ecosystem restoration, sustainable livelihoods, and climate resilience, covering the period 2025 to 2035. Rangelands are ecologically and economically significant, covering 64% of the province. They form the economic backbone, supporting 45 million head of livestock and providing 80% of total forage requirements. They also protect major river basins. Rangeland degradation is driven by climate change, overgrazing, tenure insecurity, and fuel wood extraction. This results in biodiversity loss, reduced livestock productivity, and desertification. The policy vision is a resilient system enhancing ecosystem health and livelihoods. The goal is to restore rangelands through sustainable land use, improving community well-being and climate resilience. This aligns with international and national frameworks. Thrust Area 1 focuses on sustainable rangeland management through technical interventions. This includes implementing rotational and deferred grazing systems, bioengineering for soil moisture, and ecological rehabilitation through reseeding and invasive control. Thrust Area 2 addresses governance and tenure. We will clarify land use rights through tenure regularization and establish a new Directorate of Rangeland Management, alongside community-level rangeland management committees. Thrust Area 3 focuses on livelihoods and community. This involves including pastoralist rights and gender mainstream. We will introduce payments for ecosystem services and benefit sharing by reinvesting rangeland revenues into local infrastructure. Thrust Area 4 covers data and research for scientific decision-making. Key elements include utilizing GIS and remote sensing, conducting carrying capacity assessments, and fostering academic and international collaborations for applied research. The financial sustainability framework includes a rangeland endowment fund and the user pay principle through regulated grazing fees. Funding will be secured through government allocations, international climate finance, and donor contributions. The implementation roadmap starts with Phase 1, short-term 0 to 2 years, for policy approval and institutional restructuring. Phase 2, medium/long-term, involves scaling up rotational grazing and fully operationalizing the endowment fund with regular 5-year reviews. Monitoring and evaluation ensures accountability using smart indicators across ecological, socioeconomic, and institutional metrics. Reporting aligns with international frameworks, supported by periodic GIS-based ground truthing and stakeholder reviews. In conclusion, this policy represents a paradigm shift from open access to managed stewardship. It delivers on ecological restoration, economic growth, and social equity. Immediate steps include notifying the Rangeland Governance Framework and operationalizing the endowment fund. Thank you for watching this video on the Balochistan Rangeland Policy.